Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an Amazon seller, you know how frustrating it can be when your product listing face errors, violations, or even suspensions. But don't worry,
Wow.
we are here to help. In today's video, we will guide you through fixing product detail page errors, resolving listing suspensions, and submitting successful appeals. Plus, we will share best practices to prevent these issues from happening in the future. Let's dive in and get your Amazon business back on track. Common Amazon listing errors and why they happen. 1. Product detail page errors. These errors typically arise when information is missing or incorrect. Titles, bullet points, or product descriptions fail to meet Amazon standard or lack required details. Misaligned product categories. Your product is listed in the wrong category. Image policy violations. Images don't adhere to Amazon's guidelines, for example, missing a pure white background or containing watermarks. 2. Policy violations. Prohibited content. Listings include restricted keywords, claims, or unsupported health benefits. Intellectual property issue. Brands or other sellers report copyright or trademark infringement. Inaccurate product conditions. Listing items as new when they are refurbished or used. 3. Listing suspensions. Amazon suspends listing for reasons like repeated policy violations, poor seller performance metrics such as late shipment or high order defect rates, non-compliance with restricted product rules. Steps to resolve product detail page issues. Step 1. Identify the issue. Check the performance notifications in your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. Amazon typically provides the reason for the issue, whether it's a policy violation, missing details, or inaccurate information. Step 2. Review Amazon's guidelines. Read Amazon's product detail page rules and category specific guidelines to understand the root cause of the issue. Compare your listing against these guidelines. Step 3. Fix the errors. Missing or incorrect information. Update titles, bullet points, or descriptions to ensure they are complete, accurate, and compliant. Image violations. Replace non compliant images with ones that meet Amazon's image requirements. Category errors. Reassign your product to the appropriate category through the Edit Listing options. Step 4. Submit the changes. Once you have fixed the issues, resubmit the listing for Amazon's review. Most corrections are processed within 24 to 48 hours. How to appeal listing suspensions. If your listing has been suspended or removed, follow these steps to get it reinstated. Step 1. Understand the suspension notice. Amazon will send you a detailed notification outlining the reason for the suspension, the policy or guideline your listing violated. Step 2. Prepare a plan of action. The plan of action is the structured document that explains what went wrong, acknowledge the error, and take responsibility. Why it happened. Identify the root cause. For example, lack of understanding of a policy or an honest mistake. What you have done to fix it. Outline immediate steps to resolve the issue. What you will do to prevent future issues. Detail long term measures such as additional training or automated listing tools. Step 3. Submit the appeal. Go to Seller Central, Account Health, Performance Notifications. Locate the relevant notification and click on Appeal Decision. Attach your plan of action and any supporting documents, for example, proof of authenticity or invoices. Amazon usually responds within 48 hours. Ensure your plan of action is clear, concise, and professional. Step 4. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within the expected time frame, contact Seller Support for updates. Best practices to avoid future listing issues. Stay updated on Amazon policies. Regularly review Amazon's selling policies and guidelines. Subscribe to updates from Seller Central to stay informed about policy changes. Optimize product listings. Titles. Follow Amazon's character limit and include the most relevant keywords, descriptions, and bullet points. Highlight key product features while maintaining compliance. Images. Use high resolution photos with no text or logos. Proactively monitor your account. Use tools like Amazon Seller app to receive real-time notifications about your account health. Regularly check the account health dashboard for potential issues. Avoid restricted practices. Refrain from using misleading keywords, phrases, or claims. Ensure all your products meet Amazon's quality standards before listing. Build a robust support system. Train your team on Amazon's guidelines. Use software tools to audit listings and track compliance. Maintain records of all invoices and supplier communications for dispute resolution. Tools to help you manage listings. Helium 10 helps identify listing optimization, opportunities, and policy violations. Jungle Scout monitors listing performance and flags potential issues. Sailor Central reports offers insights into account health and listing errors. Fixing Amazon listing errors and navigating suspensions can feel daunting, but by taking a proactive and systematic approach, you can maintain compliance and minimize downtime. Remember, clear communication with Amazon and a well prepared appeal are your best tools to resolve issues effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on succeeding as an Amazon seller. Let us know in the comments what challenges you have faced with Amazon listings and how you overcame them. See you in the next video. Happy selling!